me, Carly, and Misha will subscribe today. Today we're going to play Bake or Die with my cousins and my tita, I think. Lagging so badly, I want to die. I want to die anyway. To me. Uy!
I love my best free Skechers
Also, it's my grandpa's birthday. Don't mind why it's loud. I want my book over now.
Kunin mo yung mga phone. Ay, hoy! Yeah, but I'm still outside.
Don't be mad at me, but don't be mad at me. Look behind you. Look behind you.
Hey, give me one. Give me one. I can have two of this?
Yeah. Two asses of asses.
If one of you dies, I'm gonna
Revive.
because I have two bandages.
Ano ba yun? Ano? Beef? Magkano lang ba tawag?
Beep. Rolling finger. This is a big zombie. I can kill it. Yes. Thank zombies. That's why. Oh. Haha, yes, I found a chest.
What is it? Oh, can I have it? Can I have it? Where are you? Where are you? What up? Oh, wow.
Mia, nasa ka ba? Hey, come back!
Thank you, Lord.
Gonna kill you.
Can I have it? Can I have it? Can
Oh,
I
I can found you! Mia, stay! I can found you!
Yeah.
Ah, here you go!
I want
No! Ah, there's a lot of zombies! Here, Mia! Hey, Mia, here! You can have it! Drop it! Drop! this is a big... Oh, what? Pia, pwede ka bang may revolver ulit ako? Akin na lang. Yeah, rolling pin. Rolling pin, go. Oh, here na. It's night time. Hey, give it to me.
Ay, sulit na, sulit na.
Hey, Carly.
Yeah. What is?
Hey, but I'm still outside. I'm in. Me. Oh, did I?
Pwede kumain na yung mga bata, pati.
He was the original game show today.
Oh,
Oh, where are you?
help me!
Pinamigay ko na ako sa
Ow, ow. Oh, yung.
Wait na, Pia. Ay, pang-revive sa akin pala. Eh, paano kita mag-revive? Revive.
Ako na. Let me do it. I know how to play this game.
Okay, I'll give you. Here. How to revive her.
Drop. Oh.
And how?
Actually, I don't know how to play this game, but no, wait. Minda.
Technology experts.
Ako na nga.
Yep.
They are the new breed of heroes.
Gano'n sa may
Ulit tayo.
First aid kit yan. That's not the revive kit.
Mia, dyan ka muna. Hahanap kami, okay? Tara, later sa lobby. Mag-reset ka. No, can't talk about. Follow me.
Well, guys, I hate this game.
Hey, Carlin. Oh, make first. Carlin. Go.
Yeah, I'm going to be here. Nga lang, excuse.
May bago ka ba dyan?
Yan. Look up. Look Look up. Just look up. Look up. Look up. Look.
Why? Hey!
Ow! Ow!
I'm gonna be. No.
Mine.
Oh, I'm so long. I'm gonna
Go, yeah!
No, you stop stealing. Why? I'm not stealing from you. I'll be buying it. Oh. Why are you stealing from me?
Not mine. Don't. Also,
Don't go to the diner. I'm gonna craft something.
shut up. Wow.
Who just bite me this? Huh? Sino magbili sa akin? Look, it's night!
I'm going to protect you all. So shut up.
Where did you get that?
Don't ask.
Can I have it?
No. I can't drop it. No. Oh, no, bye.
Gabriella hands. Ouch! Ako yung nakakuha ng cash. Yay, may gusto ako. Uy! Okay na, Mia? Bakit yung aking shoes? Oh, there's a lot of zombies. Guys, there's a giant enormous one. Hey guys, ito pala yung kailangan sa pang-revive. Tingin. First aid kit. Ako yun. I unlocked something.
Pancet. Ito. Ito ba? Sige, kumakain.
Wala ako.
Ito pancet. Gusto mo rin?
Sarap. Maghanap na lang tayo ng chest. If someone finds a chest, that chest is there. Okay?
Yeah.
Go and fight! I'm gonna find a chest. Oh, that's my house. I'm gonna go in here house. Ay, rolling pin. Yo. Hi, chest.
Paano kakakain? Amara? Paano kakakain?
Ouch! I got a lot of zombies to fight me.
Oyo, lalakawin ko, Amara.
Can I help you?
sharing, of course.
Paano ka makakakain?
Uy, ang araw, pag nakabukas yun. Ako yun, button create ko yun. Nabuksan ko yan eh. Baby, nabuksan ko na yun eh. Kuha ko.
Someone help me.
Okay, ba't ako dito? Ba't ako din dito?
I'll take you.
Madaming sumusunod sa akin. Anong madami? Ako nga yung nakakuha dito eh.
We're like having altar grinder. And don't mind why do I have a guys. Guys,
Yes.
I found this grinder, I think. I don't know what it's called.
What grinder?
This grinder thingy.
Ah, panggarin yan? Yes.
What it called?
Ang alin?
Oh, Revive Kit! I found yung Revive Kit. I found ito. Revive.
Oh, can I have it?
Well, setting, scanning, but no.
Say, stop right there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go. Meron naman ako.
This is Revive Kit, I think.
Will I have it?
Yeah. Revive Kit, look.
Yes, I know. Ako nga din ako dalawa. Matagaling ba ito?
Okay, never mind. I hate this already.
Sana po namatay ka. Hindi kayo. Wala ka pa rin naman. Ako yung ganda. Mia, oh. May wrench ako. I got something.
I have a current. Will it?
Bakit sabi ko ng pera? Akin, 591.
Mine is just 40.
Marami. Ha, mas madami yung akin eh. 91. 81 sa akin. 73 ako. 81. Ba't sa'yo mas madami? Wait,
930. I got 780. Oh, ask. I'm going to spend my money.
No!
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Don't say.
Yeah! Oh my god!
Where are you, Mia? What's this guy?
Don't ask.
Should I open it? Wait. Wait,
I won't spend my
If
money.
I open it, I'm gonna come. Hey! Ayaw magbukas. Talaga? Dito
Who wants my gun? Guys, who wants my gun? Guys, who wants my gun?
Me!
Okay.
Me! Ako!
The one who will get it
I
is...
have revolver!
Okay, you get it. You get it. You get it!
Can I have it?
Yes, you can have it. I already have this.
Say thanks!
You're welcome. Oh my eye hurts so much.
Where's yours?
This is my gun.
What's his name?
Drop. Pump soup gun.
Can I have it?
Well, no, I already buy it. You already have one.
Lolo niya, si Robinson.
All of us have guns.
Kailan dadating ang mama mo?
June 4.
Sa 4?
At June 3. Ay, dito na lang kami dito.
June 1 na ngayon, June 1. June 1, June 3. Sa isang araw na dadating si mama mo. Baka sa linggo kayo
Tsaka 8 days kami.
Lunes, papasok na.
Tubig.
Yun ang katubig.
Why you need to?
Ay, gusto mo papunto?
And I want to eat, but no. You're
Ako kumuha na isa.
Dito. Nanubuha ko sila.
May apple na ako eh.
Oh, puto mo yan.
Meron akong kanyo.
Puto mo rin ang puto mo yan. Ayaw.
Ate kami dito? Yung gusto ko lang yung nasa taas.
Yan sa ibabaw.
Ako rin. Ako din.
Ayun na, wala na. Wala na cheese pin sa pasok lang.
Ako rin
25 years. Ang saya ng ating mga ultimate stars
Ano, pansin ba? Malinis pa yan. Isang wala pa isang minuto.
Don't mind guys, don't mind why I'm in a gas station. I didn't totally save someone with 5,100 zombies.
Where are you?
What you do?
May taga-suko pa kayo dyan ba?
Or protect them from harmful germs.
Malabot lang.
Choose
Hindi na magkasuko.
formula with complete 10 germ protection. Unlike another antibiotic, so it protects against 10 types of harmful germs. Great things start from sobrang hirap. Sige lang na.
Hi. Oh, no.
Well, I'm dead.
Get me out of here.
Well, I'm dead.
Guys, it's Red Moon. Madami zombie ngayon ang talaga?
Bakit ang dilim niyan?
Ay, sakit, uy. Ow.
Ay, tulungan mo
Dito
ako.
ka na. Amara, dito ka na. Nasisikipan si Ate Carlin. Dito ka buko. Dali, dito ka buko. Yan, para
Ow.
yan. Hindi ang murong ka. Yan.
Alright, have a gun.
Ba't ako sakit?
Siyempre, masikip pag hindi magkasya kasi dalawa yun, buti ka na, para ano.
Ito din.
Whew. Just one more experiment.
Anong signal?
Well, yeah, I'm going to beat that.
Chicken jockey. Look at this. Chicken jockey.
Lagrimay. Nawawala din ang signal para ano sa amin. Nawawala din signal.
Saan yan?
Oy, ganyan din yung amin ng medyo na. Walang signal nawawala. Eh, baka wala na yung signal mismo. Patayan na? Patay? Patayin mo lang. Wala ko na sunod pa yung napanood ko dyan. Hindi, okay lang. Para
Yung TV?
nawawala ng signal. Dali na para ma... Oh, kanina pa.
I'm going to get the... I'm going to beat yung chicken jockey, of course.
Okay, sunod na ng tubig. Oh, Sino yun?
Where are you, Carlin?
I'm at the chicken.
Hey, wait for me. Where are you? You're so far away.
Ow!
You might die, okay?
Tubig.
Okay, stand straight. And just run, okay? Just stand straight. A chicken jockey.
Let's cook even chicken jockey, of course.
Now.
No, mamaya.
Mamaya. Yes. 60, 50, 40. Why is she not coming for me? 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Yes, I know. Magiging kami na pera sa likod. I'm gonna almost take her down. Ouch!
I can check! I can check!
Dito lang, maraming hapon. Dito lang, oh. Emi, ako.
Oo nga. Wow, ito. Ang dami ko. Medyo madami na ako. Papatayin eh. Low on health na din ako. Low health na ako. Low on health na din ako eh. Kaya patay. Kasi akin.
Hala? Hala? Now there's a cow. Get shielded.
What? But I'm still here. No, I'm the one who's gonna only.
Collect.
I'm help. Need help? All of you are gonna help me?
First, wait. Let me just get this.
Listen ito. Alam ko. Saan kaya yung rain? Nakapahabol ako.
Ang hirap pag ano, kasot na niya lahat na kay Babaw. Baka hindi ka siya sa ano. Oo, para hindi. Ang rado sa akin na hirap na. Hirap na para yan. Neo na akin nila bago. Bibigyan? Bibigyan? Ha? Bibigyan na rin ba?
LOL!
Bakal yun na niya. Sabay kami bumili sa akin nakadalawa.
Pinodge ko naman. Hala, ako yung nahabol! Ako yung nahabol! Ako yung nahabol! Uy! Pinulipot ako!
LOL!
Uy! Pinulipot ako!
No, matagal ka na.
Ayoko magpalipad.
Oo, masarap.
Lumapit ka kasi. O, di ba?
Ang kilo na kayo. Madami kami ng
Ay, ang hirap isin.
Haha.
It's dead. I'm gonna have the key.
Look at this. Bro's dead.
Hindi na kanya nakakalimutan.
May money sa wala. What? Ilan yung money? Akin yan.
Ayan, nasa una. Yan. Ito siya. Iba na niya. Saporo yan. Saporo.
Wow.
Ito yung pasado. Hindi nalalamsak. Ganyan na sinasabutan na ganyan.
Wow.
Hindi pa malalaman niya, parang bibo na lang. Inabot mo na. Oo, unang alamin mo ano yun. Kaya ate Carly yun. Lollipop. Oo, sayang na.
Someone help me. Up close. Help me.
No!
Kaya mana, hindi ka nakakipaglaro kay Princess.
Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me.
Revive me!
Ah, help me. Help me. I can't.
No! Go! Hey, Mia!
Wait for me. They're dead.
Kaya tayo! Iyo ko na dito!
Wait lang, let me revive you.
No, you revive me! Yes! Mia, okay na ako.
Wow.
Wow! Whoa! Can I have all of these? Hey, Carly, can I have all of these?
Yeah.
Well, so libat join tayo, libat join.
But more, I want to stay here like this.
Yeah. Hey guys, nasa
Bilang dahil yung pagkakas.
galing na
Sabi natin, ako ay nilalanggap mga bibigay sa lalagyan.
Hindi mo ka namin hindi ka na iiwan eh. Right, Carly?
Yeah.
What is this? Can I have this?
Yeah.
Mia, dali na. Well, can I have this?
Nyongo. Come and get. Well, I'm rich.
Place this. Where are we gonna place this?
Just play somewhere. Wow.
Mara, tignan natin kung glitter dumpling yung nasa bahay. Uy, kapag may zombie lang yan, Gagi.
Minsan nga, may pinuha na bigas namin, hindi ko alam na may natira pala sa ilalim noon. Hindi ko na nilagyan. Dahil sunod, nilagyan ko, hindi ko nilinis. Bakit pagsasahin ko may ako na kaya nung
Mia, pwede ko din yun.
This is too long, so bye-bye.
Nakalit na siya eh.